Namaskaram to all the beautiful ladies in the house. Welcome to Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks. ఇవాళ నేను మన జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ రోడ్ నెంబర్ 56 లో ఉన్నానండి and I have bought you beautiful collection of kalamkari collections. Let's start with my saree. మంగళగిరి కలంకారీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మిక్స్డ్ కలర్ saree అండి. ఎంత ప్రిటీగా ఉందో చూడండి. ప్యూర్ కలంకారీ saree. All over body we have flower booties, leaf booties with pen printed. And beautiful Mangalgiri saree has a very lovely border. In contrast, pallu, the beautiful flower booties on it. This beautiful saree has a very contrast, beautiful pallu. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code that is. Code of the saree LD782 and the price of the saree 7,440. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8100010002. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలంకారీ సారీ అండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ కాంజీవరం పట్టు కలంకారీ సారీ with pen printed. All over the body we have alternative golden and silver zari dot booties and with floral jewel pattern. Beautiful peacock print we have. Amazing kada. And this beautiful saree has a very pretty border in red color, contrast color with golden zari. The body is all over 10 inches andi. And this beautiful saree has a very lovely pallu. Let's check that. ఈ పళ్ళు కూడా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉందో చూడండి. With mango paisleys and the floral motifs. The beautiful contrast pallu is highlighted with pen print. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది కదా. The border is also highlighted with peacock motifs అండి. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the saree MK614 and the price of the saree 27,999. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Wow. Very pretty Mangalgiri saree andi. Enta andanga undo chudandi. The overall body of the saree is in purple color and the half of the saree is highlighted with mythology features and flower motifs andi. This beautiful saree has a very pretty border, Mangalgiri border in contrast color. Wow, very pretty pallu. The pallu is in contrast color, pink color, highlighted with so many mythology features, characters. Chala andanga undi kada. Now let me show you the blouse. This beautiful Mangalgiri saree has a very lovely blouse, contrast blouse. Now take a screenshot along with the item code that is. Code of the saree MK616 and the price of the saree 6,320. And then send it to a WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Beautiful saree and very lightweight Kalankari saree. Beautiful Kanchipattu Kalamkari saree has beautiful pen Kalamkari. The overall body we have leaf and flower motifs. This beautiful saree has a lovely border, contrast border, beautiful contrast pallu. Chala prettyga undi kada. Now let's check the blouse. The blouse is also very contrast color, chala prettyga undi. with pen kalankari. Now let's check the present details. Code of the sari M8995 and the price of the sari 12,800. Before moving to another beautiful sari, would love to share that we have cash on delivery available all over the Hyderabad and we have global shipment. No matter which part of the country, which part of the world you are, we deliver the beautiful Kalamkari saris from the today's collection and from our Varamahalakshmi Silks shopping mall to our doorsteps in no time. So let's move on to another beautiful Kalamkari saris. Wow, very pretty, very elegant. బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలంకారీ సారీ అనేది ప్రిటీగా ఉందో చూడండి. రిచ్ వై కలెక్షన్ అండి, చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గోమాతాస్ mythology characters all over the body of the saree. This beautiful kalankari saree has a very pretty border in a contrast color. And let's show you the pallu. ఇంత అందంగా ఉందో చూడండి పళ్ళు కూడా. With peacock motif, we call peacock. Overall peacock we have on the pallu with beautiful color shades and with the tassels. And let's check on the blouse. Wow, very pretty contrast blouse we have. So take a screenshot of this saree along with the item code that is MK622 and the price of the saree 6,320 and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow, బ్యూటిఫుల్ కంచిపట్టు కలంకారీ సారీ అండి, ఎంత ప్రిటీగా ఉందో చూడండి. ఓవరాల్ బాడీ వీ హ్యావ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్ షేడ్స్, పికాక్ మోటివ్స్, very elegant, very pretty. Beautiful kalankari saree has a very lovely border in golden zari. And we have contrast pallu with contrast border. This lovely saree has a very pretty blouse and the contrast blouse with pen kalankari. Chala andanga undi. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree LI552 and the price of the saree 12,800. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Beautiful saree and the very pretty color. Kalamkari saree. Beautiful Mangalgiri saree and the pure Mangalgiri Kalamkari. Overall body we have beautiful flower motifs with floral jal pattern and lovely border. As you can see, highlighted, the body is highlighted with lavender color and contrast pallu with contrast border with beautiful tassels. This beautiful saree has a very pretty contrast blouse. Chala prettyga undi kada. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree MK620 and the price of the saree 6,320. Let's move on to another beautiful saree in Kalankari collection. Wow, very pretty andi, very beautiful pure Kalankari saree, Mangalgiri saree andi, enta prettyga undo chudandi. Overall body we have so many mythology characters along with the cows, beautiful animals, birds. Chala prettyga undi with multicolor. This beautiful Mangalgiri saree have a contrast border in golden zari with contrast pallu with lovely tassels on the bottom. Chala prettyga undi kada. Now let me show you the blouse. This beautiful blouse is also in a contrast color with pen kalankari and the chala pretty design indi. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree MK615 and the price of the saree 6,320. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Very beautiful kalamkari saree, Andy. As you can see, let's have the closure. The body of the saree, Kanchipattu saree, beautiful Kanchipattu saree. The body of the saree is in a floral jar pattern with beautiful flower motifs with multicolored, gorgeous grey color and chala prettyga undi. This beautiful gorgeous grey has a very pretty Kanchipattu border. ఈ బోర్డర్ 10 ఇంచెస్ ఉండొచ్చండి. ఎంత ప్రిటీగా ఉందో చూడండి. With Rudraksh and peacock motifs and contrast pallu, diamond shape pattern in the pallu, very beautiful blouse in a contrast color, red color. Chala andanga undi kada. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MG542 and the price of the saree 27,999. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Wow. Very lightweight, pure kalamkari saree. Let's have a closer look of the body. The body of the saree is highlighted with floral jar. Beautiful flowers we have all over the body and peacocks motifs. Beautiful lightweight tussar saree, Andy. This beautiful saree has a very pretty curry border. We have a beautiful self pallu. Chala prettyga undi kada. This very lovely saree has a very pretty self blouse. Pen kalamkari design to paatu. And let's check the price and details. Code of the saree LN700 and the price of the saree 13,200. Before moving on to another lovely saree, would love to share that we have a video call facility as well. Take a screenshot from the today's collection and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. The team will assist you. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Very beautiful, very lightweight, kalamkari, pure Mangalgiri saree, Andy. The overall body of the saree, we have beautiful features like fish, cow, along with that lotus motifs, peacock motifs. This beautiful saree has a very lovely border, Mangalgiri border, along with the pallu in a contrast color with peacock motifs. This beautiful saree has a very lovely contrast blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the saree MK623 and the price of the saree 6,320. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Very pretty pattu saree and the kalamkari, pure kalamkari pattu saree. If you can see, overall body of the saree manaki mythology characters unnai. అందుతో పాటు మనకి బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లవర్ మోటివ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయండి. ఈ ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ ప్యాటర్న్. We have very lovely border. పట్టు border కూడా ఇచ్చారు. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. With contrast pallu, with contrast border. This lovely saree has a very pretty blouse with pen kalankari. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree LB810. The price of the saree 19,760. Let's move on to another beautiful saree, Andy. Wow. Beautiful kalankari saree in a tussar collection. Chala prettyga undandi. Overall body of the saree we have beige color with lotus motifs, lily motifs, so many fishes. Chala andanga undi kada. This beautiful saree has a very pretty kadi border and with contrast pallu. చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. Now let's check the blouse. This beautiful tussar saree has a very beautiful contrast blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code KR645 and the price of the saree 15,520 and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Before moving on to another saree, would love to share that we have stores in all over the South India, that is in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. To shop these beautiful sarees, just go and rush it on. It's smooth another beautiful saree. Wow. Beautiful Kalankari Mangalgiri saree. If you can have a closer look of the body of the saree, you have very lovely parrots with lotus motifs. Very beautiful ocean green color and chala pretty color. This beautiful saree has a very lovely Mangalgiri border and contrast pallu with lovely tassels. And this beautiful saree has a very lovely contrast blouse. Chala beautiful color, beach color blouse and chala pretty ga undi. To shop this amazing saree, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8100010002 and our team will assist you. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Beautiful saree andi. Beautiful Kalankari Tassa collection saree. Chala pretty ga undi. The body of the saree is highlighted with so many lotus motifs and flower motifs kuda. With pen Kalankari, this beautiful saree has a very lovely border, that is study border. And they have given contrast pallu with pen Kalankari and lovely contrast blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code that is code of the saree LM698 and the price of the saree 13,200 and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Beautiful Kalankari Tussar saree andi. Chala beautiful ga undi. If you can see overall body of the saree, we have Gomatas with floral jar and lotus booties all over the body of the saree. Chala andanga undi. Chala elegant ga kuda undi. This beautiful saree has a very lovely curry border with running pallu and very lovely running blouse. To shop this beautiful saree, let's see the item code. Code of the saree KQ536 and the price of the saree 15,520. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow. Very beautiful, very lovely Kalamkari Pattu saree andi. Chala andanga undi. Very elegant color, yellow color, the overall body of the saree. We have beautiful Gomatas with floral jewel pattern. Now let me show you the border. Amazing 3 Munias border. Chala pretty ga undi. With pattu. And they have given very lovely contrast pallu. Paitani pallu. With peacock motifs. Chala andanga undi kada. Now let me show you the blouse. Very lovely contrast blouse and the green color blouse. Now let's see the present details. Code of the saree MB7 and the price of the saree 31,199. Take a screenshot from the today's collection and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002, and our team will assist you. Let's move on to another beautiful saree andi. Wow, very pretty kalamkari Mangalgiri saree. Chala andanga undi. The overall saree is in light orangish color, and the overall body of the saree we have floral jar pattern. Chala prettyga undi kada. With pen kalamkari, this beautiful saree has a very lovely border, Mangalgiri border, and it contrast pallu with God Vinayaka. Very lovely అండి, చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. Let me show you the blouse now. We have a contrast blouse with pen kalamkari. Now let's see the present details. Code of the saree MK619 and the price of the saree 6320. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow, beautiful kalamkari pattu saree andi. Pure kalamkari. Overall body we have silver and gold alternative zari flower motifs, and with floral jar pen kalamkari pattern. Now let me show you the lovely border. We have both golden and zari combined design border. Chala beautiful ga undi kada. And they have given lovely contrast pallu with contrast border. Wow, chala andanga undandi. And the blouse is also very, very pretty with contrast navy blue color. Now let's see the present details. Code of the saree KR677 and price of the saree 26,400. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Beautiful, weightless, kalamkari tassa saree andi. Chala prettyga undi kada. The overall body of the saree we has Gaumatas, beautiful leaf motifs, flower booties, and beautiful banana plants we have. Chala andanga undi. This beautiful saree has a very pretty kadi border with contrast pallu. And let me show you the blouse. Wow, very beautiful blouse and a very lovely contrast blouse with pen kalamkari. Now let's see the present details. Code of the saree KN126 and the price of the saree 14,160. Now let's move on to another beautiful saree. Wow, very lovely kalamkari Mangalgiri saree. Overall the body we have lotus and flower booties with floral jar pattern with pink kalamkari. This lovely saree has a very pretty pink color border, Mangalgiri border, with contrast pallu, with mythology characters and peacock motifs. This beautiful saree has a very lovely blouse in a contrast color. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code. Code of the saree MK618 and the price of the saree 6320. And send it to a WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Beautiful kalamkari pattu saree andi. The overall body of the saree we have floral jar pattern with pen kalamkari, lovely peacock motifs. Chala andanga undi. This beautiful saree has a very lovely border, pattu border in contrast color. It contrasts pallu. We have beautiful deers designed on the pallu. This lovely saree has a contrast blouse and the with pin kalankari. Chala andanga undi. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree LN953. The price of the saree 25,200. Last but not least, in our collection, wow, beautiful weightless kalankari tussar saree. All over body of the saree we have floral jewel pattern, beautiful flowers and leaves, light yellow color and the saree with lovely curry border in pink color, contrast color, lovely pallu with beautiful tassels. This lovely saree has a very pretty blouse in yellow color. Chala andam undi kada. Now let's see the price and details. Code of the saree LN690 and the price of the saree 13,200. ఇవాల్టి కలెక్షన్ అయితే మీకు నచ్చేసింది కదండి. ఇలాంటి మరి ఎన్నో బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్ తో మీ ముందుంటాను. అంటిల్ దెన్ నమస్కారం.
I was looking for a Kanchivaram saree. I just came to this place. The varieties are very good and colors also. So it's very nice, you know, the experience was good. I bought a saree, Kanchi Pattu saree for 20,000. Usually I buy sarees from Kanchipuram. I'm used to the silk, soft silk sarees, you know, from Kanchi. I saw that even here, you know, they have displayed the same type of material and even the quality was very good. And they are very courteous also, the people who are working here. So I'm happy.